My pancakes are cooking on the griddle and they're gonna taste so good. Yay! It is Wednesday, and I'm making pancakes. That's a big pancake. So, today, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. Just like the other day, other than cooking these here pancakes and going to work. I keep flipping these like it's gonna help them cook, but it's really not. There's nothing on the TV but commercials for movies that I want to see. La da 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 dee. Ah, Dora!
Play with us when we come back. More Dora the Explorer is next.
Dora! Backpack, 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 yeah! I am such a loser. Well, that was just another episode of BobbyTime, so tune in tomorrow where I do the same exact thing, except I have a different shirt on.